Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about cutting this bottom section out and squishing it up. So I'm going to squish it back down to where it was. But somebody questioned why I cared that the line was perpendicular or level. So I'm going to start moving, and I'm going to hold down the control button and make it level. And then I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to draw another line, and I'm not going to care. I'm going to go at an angle. So now let's use the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and nudge it down. Smart Fill tool and nudge it down. Now we're going to take both these and left click no fill, right click black. And we're going to individually elongate them. Now let's move them back up. Let's take these and use our virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. Let's go ahead and take away our lines that we drew by hitting the delete button. Now let's move these up. And if you look, the one I didn't care doesn't match up. The one I cared on, it matched up, so we can take this line and cut it. And then it can fill in because it all matched up. Where this one is going to leak because it has a big gap in it, as you can see. Now you could still use this. It's not that big a deal, but you need a little bit of manipulation. You can take your shape tool and bring this down to this line, maybe even delete that node. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. But I've saved a few steps and I think it looks a little better, more even. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.